So the good one some brought down pay Malta Guinness the SCA concern so and bet power betting companies nemu kunini no na think so no when him say the Ghana Football Awards basso memende day nemu on the 29th of June it's yenkai na yen share so sa yes the Ghana Football Awards na ho asama running na meka wasama che ho na ye bo footballers ahodo a obo modern ofie ni amano na ya baso ye nyina ye kopie mo hobi yen so ye version ni ye be kwam na ye dane ade ati maisha the Ghana Football Awards now yaba ne sa no na se Joma no twene Bernard Parebo hwe me producers keju wan kasa ni Erica Siedu body ye be sha sentem pass on na ye de feed the Euros course yes Euro 2024 and right ye ka one match pe nanka draws nkwa na omo bobo sa ne ade a England and Slovenia about 0-0 and I think so Denmark Poland 1-1 and Holland so Austria have born me and to say Holland they train say one of the best place teams or it's my qualifier count on the acronym Slovakia and Romania and a ball group E Ukraine to Belgium ball from group E na Czech Republic and so Turkey and their boss so Georgia Portugal so from group F can Shenison say Portugal are qualified that until a game no so ABC akora in a Copa America okopie group D Argentina winning 1-0 and on the other games Basso yeah, you have to say yes. And yes, I'm kidding. Lautaro Martinez once again. We're on Ujina Nenemo na obo editu Musa edema Argentina over Chile. Tika Shannon Sosa Efa Emame de Ozozo Peru and Canada. Almost where the epium swada nyasam keto akra. We say omo games no ya na baso na adwa na adwo. Etu oni be ba on so ade be chi no na just say when we have so much na baswa when we are na for ni sukrani ade Argentina ebo Chile by a goal to nil intika channel so sa efa emame so na Peru and Canada ebo Peru by a goal to nil ebo Copa America ni mo into one summer no e be di achi e be piem bia no ye won sam enso bre world ye ko na ye ade be chi da China no Venezuela and in Mexico bebo na Panama and in USA and so at the aboni in the Copa America and on and so AC etie Malta Guinness bet power I mean sponsors and no pay and some idea brewo na honorable sports minister Mustafa Yusuf and Enra Kupiemo wo parliament not in some to draw actually mo sane African games no AC ko mu and ho hye nyina yenko parliament.
Baltimore Sports Complex is currently being managed by the National Sports Authority under the Ministry of Youth and Sports in the interim. However, the ministry have received a proposal from the private sector partnership to manage the facility. The University for Sports for Development, as we announced before the construction of the Baltimore facility and the commencement of the games, government intend to convert the Baltimore Sports Complex to University for Sports for Development. Long-term sustainability of this ultra-modern facility. The university will not only serve Ghana but also the sub-region. In this regard, a cabinet memo has been prepared and it is on its way to cabinet for approval. Once it is approved, Mr. Speaker, I will return to this August House for approval of the new University for Sports for Development. Maintenance in the meantime to ensure the sustainability of the facility. A local technical team has been trained on the operationalization of the equipment installed at the various facilities, and the equipment manual have been transferred to the local technical team to guide them on the
right on our sports minister in some of the Cotugal Parliament and we a minority leader we are to forcing as a sports minister no some kind a fall flat. Sansa oba be keka nyina wi na wa mobosi ka so se the scary we and tosum omo mo gigi gold so ne ade no ne sereba mo so a mo hwe ti no sa kasa be kasa yi no ba so be na also.
Because this house allocated huge sums of money to the Ministry of Youth and Sports and the local organization committee for this important tournament. The Speaker, this statement before us, it can never be complete without accounting for the amount of money that we allocated. So, Speaker, we know for sure that $50 million US was allocated to a company called M&L Company Limited for 18 days of feeding. So, Speaker, that amount to 226 million Ghana cedis for 18 days. You cannot come here, deliver a statement without accounting for that $15 million for 18 days. The Speaker, this is public money. The Speaker, aside, we were also told that an amount of $4.5 million was allocated for a company called Atos with a local partner called Soft Tribe. The Speaker, we know about that. And as to whether they did the work or not, Mr. Speaker, it is for the public to decide. So you cannot appear before us and fail to account for these important expenditures. Mr. Speaker, for me, this statement, as has been delivered by the minister.
Right, and so, actually, some be brain by our parliament, you be actually not a bit piano, so yaba. To say yes, Senate Minister also be responded, and you go so. Can sports on some near the idea no they say the me say me ka fantana abetiase on the leader of the ARC group or Alan Chamantin on na wo gina see Antonio Swaba no me the next president of Ghana or then some to dwa ade na ni swadi hunu a ogidi say oba obeye aboama Ghana sports afan to mapafra
eyo mo say omo de bibia omo na ese omo ye musumu niska the infrastructure the sports no now what football pitch ground we need stadium you did training courts first year boy you can't invest everything in sports infrastructure because we need and nine you won't say we better pay sports and one say we better private sector for businessmen no more incentives they will build the best sports infrastructure.
All right, and on the Alan Chamantin too. Young walk straight to Songo Stakes, Abre. My man, Mr. Patrick Osajiman, countryman Songo, are joining me on the line. Mr. Patrick Osajiman, and a Songo Stake at the end of the year.
I'm a first sports minister.
African Games.
Games, yeah. What's this? Sikati I'm spending. Tina Komu. That's a Biblian idea. And then I'm a papa, I mean, they're fully flat. So they say, and then I'm a papa, Oma fully flat because Sika Komu was away day. To me, it me, near Modi, and in the Komu, near Modima will be, near Mofire, near Body baby, near Kubi baby. I had games in Nano, Sika sing. Me a tea and one see. Kasa be moving forward, you know. Oh, that is why I may see young president via the minister every time taxpayers money at the court a year tournament. And I say at the Ghana tournament. Now, of course, Spanish can be our ban or other figures. What I say? What are they have figures or bar or other figures? Moving forward. I hope say, I mean, young president visa because current sports minister was not here, and the president here good one, and was on a Swaman. So I mean, moving forward, we don't need a president. The taxpayers' money, the sports minister, the Beko, according to the name of Ghana, all kinds of canning and some or what? No, of course, and they will ban all the figures today. I hope Baumia will not do that. Mahama Yehunu as president before. Uti asitu say ubituma jajina Yehunu as president before. Ni sports ministers ni lanti no na fantastic. Ubiti said the late Mustafa. Oh, fantastic. Mahama Yehunu as president before. I was saying Jinabim. So be president ni sports minister. And I said, Nipo Bay sports minister, no Tiago, or I mean, the taxpayers' money, no, or the need for say, there be any transparency, every PM. What I say? I mean, I games that we are moving transparency, Sika Koye, and Sika buy, a simple. Now, Songo stage. I mean, the sorry state of football. The sorry state of your football. Your football, no. I am going a wine fort. A wine fort. football. Senior, a normal thing going from my local league. Say football people, ewo bibiye, ewo ye football one. Ye local league no so mu bibiye wo ho a omunye ntem ye nended enye cheap talk enye book afem omuma practicals ened ni hu say the sorry state of your football almost solve the situation almost the year 2 years na year 2 years dead because your local football time your local football professionalism your talent but the way are you managing woman you're managing local football your Ghana Premier League it means some bad officiating bad coverage bad pitches baby a bobo kura nye papa baby we need to see a bobo kura ni a bobo yintimi ko another season with I mean sir and no matantan e see na no league matches are able maybe looking match fixing I say e be more ton matches I say in results dada I mean sir normal way nyina no Ghana e be then a top 10 countries omo Africa winning bobo ye be kan Ghana kan top 10 countries winning bobo Africa a whole Ghana 4 times African best champions ye kan top 10 teams winning bobo Africa meaning that the football is sinking meaning that the football is perform and we need to rise up also so-called football people the sorry state of your football, meaning that your football now say I have basa I perform now. And you want more GF for you, a so-called football people. Because they are in charge. Woman also much say local football, you move property. What I think, local football, the talent, local league, the other divisions, division 1, division 2, division 3, are talent. Ye ama ayeye no umetimia compete with Ghana foreign players so that our national team and I said the national teams they be fantastic ni yetimi trophies but one ye local league ni one ma good officiating local league one ma good pitches baby a ball one ma good coverage sponsors by local league mo a ye punishment be you compensation be say you compensating woman you legalities how professional the local league must be running and you can't continue like that what I say nine bini any mono then they utiamu pepacha sana Ghana football sana local football and those in charge football people and football president, they be a president, but the executives there. They be a football president, Cat, okay, Cat, the football president. Executives, more benefit, allowances, Monsakabi, Mudibi, football people, a year 100K, the same as Black Stars players, as appearance fee. Because we were a management member. What I say, 30 billion old Ghana cedis each. If you more can care to whom are more buana mana football and more bay and a mode buana. A dear grinning in dear Ben a mode buana because your football go from your local league, a bribe local league, a moon and some more mokicano, a basauti to be a time. And who should be so. Who panel to be a budget time, who officiating be a time, who pitches be a day boy a time, your local league who's the talent will but just say there's no motivation, professionalism no way. Emrano Yemra dear local league, say local league, not team to make us say, only score the Boko match, F.N.M. 1-0, nothing let me assist players be on count, unregistered or mono the Womako league match. A dear professional league near one. Never then a top 10 countries there. Africa, Ghana, and your money say top 10 countries more Africa kakaka we na Ghana ya gidin top 10 countries many bobo Ghana town and yamani so-called football people your footballer say perform because who de no ayamwana mudi national teams blasters who sika who kuntabuo kura na wo say transparency ayamwana mudi it is mudi huska mudi who allowances then munya bibinfa your local league your football na ama say Africa your top 10 teams winning bobo your Ghana and Kaho or see a team back to the top 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock about 12 fire no so
wow
1 o'clock 1 o'clock but top 10 countries to Africa Adom ya Kaho
Dabi
winning bobo ya Kaho
Dabi
and national teams in Yadia now local league in Yadia leagues in Yadia. How would you enter that top 10 countries in Africa? Women Bobo. How?
I understand. But I say,
fire. Yes. 1 p.m. You better fire.
Yes. Yes. And Tiana was share the fireman, countryman Songo. Na yere de akaina to so e diama the Ghana Football Awards basso on the 29th of June at the Grand Arena enti mayina yenhia e wo hona yemmo yen footballers na basso na season etwa mu ebi eyom ho edition ko ebi dam ho edition ko e wo fie ni amaro na yemma ene me mana famu nyina na ade a sanso na aye slick can no a Motor Guinness for the abano no matter the occasion as a Motor Guinness was here program abekwase na Motor Guinness eni ase no National the program I don't know what I say see Motor Guinness and make for them on no pay can so mine slim nice pa I increase the gumuno come pa nya some keto akra eti no yet Motor Guinness adan a na bet pa so kan ho a ye dey ba betting companies na bu but the a demo for na identity mine I bet power among a kurujumadi in a battery. I'm a dear brow, brainy, bringing I know to Mr. Euro say, cost in Crawford, this car. Now, options are how do be brain. I'm dear go, come so wait, me digum. On per se, euros, you digum. Yes, or mum, a do. Digum. Yes, bet power. Power nature says, I want a power and war. It's also another one, Jimby, betpower.com.gh. I was on a pay, yet obesi, but Yana, Omo Herny and Fomun Niagro, Tene, and a Perco our wager, Tetegua, yes, the chosen hospital, yes, Dr. Dune workers, necessary administration no be our chairman nano pay the chosen hospital Tetegu wager for our sick morning come and pa mo bojuma Fadom TV in Niagara cra immortalaja kwa champon and of course a man Sergio Manocho Bernard Padibuche I'm a producer Siana Wakaide Nankasa kan kijwana where kasi edubwedi but Adom TV now she bedroom ni ye dia pomodin some and etwaso koso na hwen